Now let's speak about FET. We saw FET dumped again back inside our symmetrical triangle on the big picture, but if we're zooming in, because this chart is not very accurate in my opinion, this pattern, but the worst case here, the support line at $1.11 or $1.12 approximately, in case we say it's a correct pattern, but in my opinion this is the correct one, the falling wedge. So we are heading to our support here at $1.18, same basically as the big picture chart, but why we saw this dump? So we saw a dump here of over 25%, which is usual also for FET to dump approximately 20-30% in a run to the upside. But because we had FAT, because FET wanted to merge, or Paul, P-A-A-L, this shitcoin want to merge with FET. And people got mad because the dilution of the market cap and blah, 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 and the ratio from, because the Paul tokens should be converted into FET and blah, blah. Anyways, this is why we saw this dump. But what people don't understand, these are the people who dumped their tokens and said, oh, I'm going to Tau and so on. They don't understand. FET is becoming one of the biggest crypto projects in crypto, the biggest AI projects in crypto. And what people don't understand, they have a very intelligent CEO, which had very successful companies previously. And what they don't understand, in FET are invested big companies like German Telecom, for example, and other big companies which are not crypto-related companies. And what we see is that the CEO of FET is a very intelligent person, because what he's going, and he's taking the money from big companies, promising this is the next big AI project, and explaining, bro, look, we merged with this AI company and this crypto AI company, blah, blah. We are not only one crypto AI company, but we are several crypto AI companies. For the traditional investors and for the institutions and the big companies, they don't understand anything about crypto. What they see is, they see, okay, wow, this is one of the biggest crypto AI projects, and they merged with a lot of other crypto AI projects which seem to be successful. So yes, I will throw my money there. And as I tell you, the price is driven by two factors: attention and institutions and big companies which putting their money in. Not about the small investors like us who are putting 100,000 or 1,000 or 1 million or even $10 million in the projects. These are companies who are putting billions in projects. This is what moves the price. And FET has exactly these two factors. They have a lot of attention because they are one of the top AI projects. And the second thing is, they have a lot of traditional investors putting their money in the crypto space, in this AI project FET. Can you imagine what will happen as soon as the bull run, I mean, it started already, but as soon as the altcoin season is starting, how many other big companies will throw their money in because they see, okay, Telecom put their money in, it seemed to merge with all this other AI projects. So they will put their money in the top AI projects because they will not watch for the small market caps. I mean, for them, $2 billion, or what's the valuation around $3 billion market cap for FET is nothing compared to the stock market. So I hope you understand this. And I'm expecting FET to go at least to $10, but possibly even $15 to $20. Another good thing is they're taking all the other competitors out because Paul is right now gone. Even if the merge is not going through, because there's a proposal, people will put votes, then we will still see Paul, the price dumped like crazy. People lost a lot of money there. But FET, I'm betting heavily on FET. You see $1.6 million long. FET will go crazy this bull run, and the people don't understand this. Anyways, you have to do your own decisions. This is only my opinion, and tell me what you think. We see pretty heavy bounce at $1.22. If Bitcoin is dumping, if we will see Bitcoin dumping, then there's a danger that obviously we will break inside of this falling wedge, and we will see FET again at $1.50. This could be the danger. We could even lower go below $1 to a week below $1 to liquidate all the longs. There's a danger here, so we could see another dump of 20%. Nobody knows, but hopefully, and I'm expecting here that we see the worst case at $1.18 to retest this falling wedge, and then a pump to our price tag at $1.78. To be honest, we can put the Fibonacci right now at the wick on the upside, and then our price tag is $1.90, which would break above our resistance line, which is a massive resistance line, which was a support line, this white line, and then we would heading even to $2.30, $2.32, which is a pump of over 80%, worst case 48%. So you have to decide on your own what you do. I showed you what I'm doing. I'm longing FET. It's one of the best opportunities right now because we are at $1.29. We have a lot of fear, and when we have fear, this is the moment when you have to be greedy, and if the people are greedy, this is when you have to have fear. We have a lot of liquidity at $1.80. You see here, starting at $1.74, which speaks of the market maker should grab it. We don't have a lot of liquidity down below. So the only reason why we should see dump is only because of Bitcoin is dumping, or because there's more FUD against FET.